Okay, all pack up. Going back to El Dorado. We have a before and after. Before was 60 degrees. Today is 7 degrees with snow. So we're gonna go back there and we're gonna take some photos. We have the before and then we'll take after. Gonna fill up first. Shell. Have a shell card.
And ways to better assist users with keeping track of their inventory. Align with the candidates by taking a quiz at iSideWith.com. Plan, learn, and vote.
Frozen. My gloves not working. 7 degrees in Boulder. Pumping up gas. We're gonna go to that mountain, so we'll see you back there. 8 degrees right there.
Nag-shoot talaga.
El Dorado to.
Taas mo yung ano, Arthur.
Picture lang kami.
Ang low angle mo. Para kita yung mga ato ng puno. Oo nga, no? Ganda bossing, no? Kaya nga. 1, 2,
May bayad yan.
plus. Pupuno mo rin ako po.
Save nyo battery nyo, marami pa doon. Na kami ng small town of El Dorado. Siguro dito mga ano yan, hindi ito mga parang Airbnb.
Yeah.
Ito bakasyonan. You know, I don't think you own a house here. So yeah. So kung ako mag-Airbnb, dun ako sa tuktok. Yun know, ganda ng bahay na yun. Yeah.
Post office pa.
May sariling US post office ang El Dorado. Population El Dorado siguro baka 100.
List lang dalaro.
Oh, yan, it says El Dorado Springs. Oh my God. Like I said, hindi ito mga sigurado residents. Mga Airbnb ito, rentahan, vacationer. Sa summer, or summer or rental or camper, trail park. This is owned by state, of course, State Canyon, so government who maintains this place. So akit kami doon ba makakita kami ng Duhat tsaka Santol.
Chico may palay pa.
Sana hindi ako titira doon sa tuktok ngayon, katakot din yun. Snowing. Yeah, it's snowing right now. Good morning. We're from Bahamas. I'm just joking. I'm glad it's open.
Yeah, it's beautiful today.
Yeah, for pictures. We're looking for
No, it's here.
see if we can set up for our Christmas cards.
Oh, yeah, good. Great.
Ganda. Pero parang mas kakunti pa snow dito, mas mataas pa kahapon sa sa Wedgwood Hotel. Dito mataas. Nakunan ko na to. Nakunan ko na yon. Ganda sana kung makunan natin long exposure yan, oh. Kaso malayo na. Malayo ang daloy ng tubig. So hindi ko makukuha ng long exposure yan. Okay, balik na ako. So far so good. 10-degree weather. Kayang kaya. I have a gym shoes, like I said. Naka gym shoes lang ako. Baka gusto mong akitin yan. Unang kita.
Hindi nakakayanin pa rin.
Imagine mo Mount Everest 35,000 feet. Ito siguro mga 300 feet lang to. No, 300 feet. 500 feet.
Yeah.
Gumagawa si paring Roel ng Instagram stories. Balik tayo sa another location. Have enough here. Gusto mo makatinda na kita.
Tignan natin kung anong makikita ka.
Buti ito may truck, maganda yung truck nya. Okay, akyat kami dun. Nakita na naman kami ng another spot. Sige, lalakad sa Spannerwell. Okay. Oh, masyado ka malayo. Rin, mga 15 degrees pa rin ngayon. So di ba baba?
Ha? Saan? Kunin ko lang yung 360 na camera.
May baba kami, tingnan namin kung ano meron dun. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan kami magsisimula. So mahirap. Alright, we'll go on a different spot. Mahirap bumaba. Alright. Nakakita kami ng baka. Mga beef. It's like a farm. Ganda. Maaraw ng konti. Hello guys. Yeah, we're heading back. We're heading back. We need some ramen. We're gonna get some Japanese ramen. 14 minutes from here. So yeah, we'll see you. We are here. We're looking for ramen place. I don't know what town is this. We ordered tempura. Well, it's tonkatsu. Brown yan. Tantan ground pork. Tantan ground pork. I have the same thing.
Spicy.
Belly.
Harap sa lalamunan.
Let's see. So far as the broth is okay.
Really good.
It's not salty.
Yeah.
So this is the I forgot what's the name of this place. Misaki. All right. Superior. Colorado. Misaki.
At superior.
Thumbs up, 5 star. Masarap. Yung tempura okay lang.
Wait for our review.
Yeah, okay lang yung tempura pero yung ramen masarap. Alright, signing up. We're going to airport. Bye bye, Colorado.